Good morning, I'm Sam. Welcome to my channel, Fresh Start Sam. Let's take a trip to Thailand. Come along for the journey. And guess what? We're gonna meet some elephants. I had found a great hostel in Bangkok in a fabulous location. Lots to do right outside the door. Restaurants, shops, safe streets to walk on. I had no idea just how good Thai food can be until I went to Thailand. One night, I went to downtown Bangkok and found this great hotel right along the river and sat and watched the sights, which were just mesmerizing. The statues, spilling water into the river, having a glass of wine and just relaxing while watching the riverboats cruise up and down. Walking around Bangkok was really a lot of fun, seeing the different sculptures and design elements. One of the best things about Thailand were the people I met and the friends I made that I still have today. I took a train out of Bangkok on the Eastern Orient Express overnight to Chiang Mai. It was my first time in a sleeper berth on a train. I arrived in Chiang Mai the next morning. It's a great city to explore. I stayed at a hotel with a rooftop pool that overlooked the city and the night market, which was a lot of fun to visit. There was a massage shop right across the street where I was very well taken care of. There were many massage places throughout the city. There's just a never-ending supply of temples, shopping, flowers, great walks, and the White Temple. And now let's get to those elephants. But before we do, please like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.
You put on the top. Don't touch her if you don't have food. All of them have names. That one's still aggressive. Her name Tamun. This one, her name most elephant friendly. This good. Her name Kanchana. And she's the oldest.
Oh, they're all scratching.
That one, the last one, oldest. That one, sorry. The last one, that one, she's grandma. 70 plus. 75 years old. So we don't walk with her because she walks very slow. If you walk with her,
I'll walk with her.
you have to spend time for one day to walk with her.
And she's bigger though, right? She's much bigger.
They all scratch. They must like that rock.
Yeah.
After the elephants were brought around, we fed them baby bananas and watermelon. It was an amazing experience to interact with them being this close. Then we took a walk up the mountain. They had told us while we were walking through the mountain, the jungle, with the elephants, to just walk at our own pace. And I thought, oh, that won't be hard. But the elephant behind me seemed to be right in step with me, and I got nervous. And I had to run a little bit faster, and when I went faster, she went faster. So then I saw a tree ahead, and I tried to hide behind the tree, but it didn't work. When we got to the top of the mountain, we had lunch prepared for us, And then they brought a whole new set of elephants, and there was a baby. After initially meeting them, we walked back down the mountain with them. This little girl was such a rascal.
Good. Can I do the mud for a while?
Hier, das große Anschwanz.
The Elephant Nature Park organization really champions the elephants. They're allowed to wander freely in these great fields and through the mountains. Visitors are also allowed to wander freely with the elephants so they can watch them and see them in their natural habitat.
Babies with nanny. Yes. I would love that.
Thanks for coming along with me today and sharing my adventure. Please ask me questions and leave comments. I will also leave a link in the description below for the Elephant Nature Park should you choose to support and champion these elephants as well. Thanks for coming along, and I hope to see you again. I had a lot of fun in Thailand, and maybe I'll share more of my adventures on the island of Koh Tao. See you later. Have a great day.